centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right, and away. Drift over nice and slowly. Driving too slowly is dangerous, okay? That is dangerous. He may think he's being safe, okay, by driving at 40 miles an hour on a 70 mile an hour dual carriageway, but he's extremely dangerous, okay? It annoys the hell out of me. Welcome back, everybody. This is Alina. Hi. As we all know Alina.
Yeah, everybody.
Watch out for the dodgy seagulls.
Oh, yeah.
So, 1 week to go.
Yes.
Till what?
Till my assessment.
Your driving assessment.
Yeah.
That's it, that's better. Cool. So when you're ready and it's safe to do so.
Okay, let's not make sure he's going yet. Okay. Kids, people, everyone.
Car parks always super duper slow. Always, if you're in a manual first gear, always 5 or below. But we today are in an automatic car.
Yeah, good.
No gears, no clutch,
No, nothing.
no fears. Right, take me to Bangor, please. And what I might do, I might set. What do you want to do? I know what we're going to do. We're going to do dual carriageway first of all.
Okay.
I have ordered 16 tractors to meet us on the dual carriageway.
Yay! Of course, okay.
God, follow the signs for Bangor, please. I've got a student with a driving test on Sunday this week. I know.
Nice.
The examiners are doing a bit of overtime.
Okay.
So we've actually got a Sunday driving test. I've never done a Sunday driving test before.
Everything is going to be all right.
Yeah.
It's just an assessment.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean,
We will need to do an emergency stop later on, okay?
yeah.
You know, after doing an emergency stop, before moving away, what are you going to do?
Oh, check everything. Every
Yeah,
blind spot
that's
and
it.
every mirror.
You can't just go. You've got to make sure that it's safe to go. We'll go the most direct route to the test centre, okay?
Yeah, the one that I'm gonna do it when I'm going back to the test center.
Okay, yes. So we'll go straight to Bangor, okay? So we'll just look at the road markings. Don't get too close to him. What's the safe distance?
2 seconds.
2 seconds in the dry, 4 seconds in the wet, eh? I could see that car getting bigger, and bigger, and bigger, and bigger.
Yes. Oh, we're gonna stay here a bit. Yeah, that's what it seems like it. Okay.
See how he slowed down on the gas? That's it. There's a reason that silver car slowed down, yeah? If you're looking to the right and you're giving way to cars from the right and that car on the right slows right down or even comes to a stop, the chances are he's being blocked. He's looking to the right and he can see something coming. That gives you an opportunity to go. It's called using blockers. difficult driving test I've ever done. Okay, I passed second time. Everyone. So my car test, second time. My motorcycle test, second time. My bus test, second time. My class 1 heavy goods test, second time. My ADI test, second time. So I
think
know,
it's just the stress.
I know how it feels, okay? And obviously, all the best drivers pass second time.
Yeah.
So follow the signs for Holyhead for me, please.
Okay, so we're going
That's a stay in the
this way.
stay.
Third exit was it, yeah?
Second exit.
Okay, second exit. Second exit, second exit.
What's the speed limit along here?
I think they said 40 now, yeah?
That's a recommended, yeah, it's not the speed limit.
Oh, okay.
There's a difference between a recommended speed limit and one in a circle with a red border.
It's 60 here, isn't
That's
it?
correct, yes.
Normally.
Yes. Now then, I'll give you directions, okay? Stay in the left lane.
Yeah, just slowing down for this.
Then a little bit of gas now for me. So we're going right to the next roundabout, third exit, please. 1, 2, 3. That's it. See the sign on for Conway? Slow it down. Don't cross this line. Stay in your lane. Make a decision. Left mirror first, left indicator second. What came first?
The mirrors.
The mirror or the indicator?
In that case, it was the indicator.
We're going left to the next roundabout, please. That's more like it.
Okay.
Mirrors first, indicator second. Oh shit, did you see that? That was a close. Keep in the
she
left.
didn't care.
Yeah.
It's all
The
right.
car's full of dents. that was a close one. Right then, join the A55 dual carriageway for me, please.
Yes, why not? Enjoyable. Okay, he's moving for me.
Then what we're going to do about him
I can't.
is
There's
to that's it. So as soon as you see somebody slow, look, make sure you know who's in the outside lane. Right then, once you get a chance, I want you to indicate and pull out, okay? Once you get the chance. See behind that Seat? Oh no, he's
no,
turning
he's-
off. That's it, and away. At least you didn't get that too close to him. Now then, be aware of this slip road coming up on the left. Keep an eye on the taxi. That's it. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Right then, behind that taxi there is a gap. But is there anybody here?
No.
So we don't have to pull out. Keep following the road ahead, please. There's a slow car coming up, see him?
Yep.
We're looking for a gap in the outside lane, or the overtaking lane rather.
No, someone's overtaking
Give
us
me a little bit more gas, a little bit more gas, a little bit more gas. That's it. Centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right, and away. Drift over nice and slowly. Driving too slowly is dangerous, okay? That is dangerous. He may think he's being safe, okay, by driving at 40 miles an hour on a 70 mile an hour dual carriageway, but he's extremely dangerous, okay? It annoys the hell out of me. If it's a 70 and it's safe to do 70, what are we going to do?
70.
That's it. Why am I only seeing 62 on there?
Because I'm scared.
I'm taking the next exit off, please. Take me to the test centre.
I don't know the road to there.
We're going left of the roundabout, first exit. What should we be doing now?
I'm braking.
That's it. I want to feel them brakes kicking in.
You said first exit.
First exit.
Okay.
Don't worry, there's no invisible cars in Bangor, okay? If you
I
look,
know. You don't know.
well, you don't know there's invisible cars in Bangor. If you're looking and there's nobody there, what do we do?
Go.
That's right.
Let me just triple check.
Trust your eyesight, okay? Look once, look twice, look 3 times. If there's nobody there, let's go. Now then, as an examiner, I'm about to look at you. Why am I looking at you? That's right, because I want to see you do that, eh?
Yeah, because we are changing the speed.
That's right. We need to get at 40 before the sign, yeah? There we go, perfect. Well done. Straight ahead, second exit, please.
I had like in my mind the instinct to change the gear, you know?
And off the brake, up to there. That's it.
Second exit, is it?
That's correct. Nice. Mirrors first, then signal. Muy bien. Da iawn.
I mean, I know what to do, but you know, my head won't do it the right way.
My head just won't let me.
Yeah, this person, you see her?
If you know what to do, do it.
Yep.
Stop fudging about. Get on with it.
Fudging, that's what we say, you know.
We're going straight ahead, please. You know how to do this, don't you? Yeah? Remember it?
I'll just...
Yeah, that's it. 12, 12, 12, 12. And this side. We did that 16. You can't see what's coming there till the very last second, okay? So you can't make a decision whether you're going or stopping until the very last second, because of the bushes you can't see what's coming. So get prepared and ready to stop. Yeah, we're going left, please.
Left, yeah?
Left. First exit. That's it.
That's more like it, yeah.
Good preparations. Let's.
I think it's just...
Yeah.
There. Surviving.
Just be aware coming around this corner there could be a car waiting to turn right. Yeah? Now try and avoid the potholes for me if you can, please.
I'll try my best.
Thank you. Just watch that white car get over to the left, because he's going to pull out, yeah? We can't be on the wrong side of the road.
I wasn't, is that?
Good.
Oh, there's a lurch.
Yes, there is. Ignore him. He's just doing a pull-up on the right. They do a pull-up on the right there quite often, actually.
That's a nice place. It doesn't
Yeah.
seem so bad.
So we're going right at the bottom of the road, please.
Yes. And then bottom of the road.
Take your time. Slower, slower, slower. Now you can decide.
I'm going.
Now you can go. That's it. Watching that massive tush.
Okay, just...
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Remember last time I just went...
Yeah, try and avoid it, not go for it. Go this side of it. There we go.
Okay.
Oh, somebody sprayed some white mark on it, so maybe the council are coming on to fix them. Now then, just going to plug the sat nav. Just ignore it if it says anything, okay? We'll pull up on the left over here somewhere. I'm just going to stop for 2 minutes. Slow, 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 slow. Right then, head down to the test centre for me. That's it, yeah, don't worry. That's it, going to go to the test centre. So we're going to go round Techwin.
Techwin.
Yeah, heading down that way. Then turn right for me, please. That's it. And I want us to reverse up to the gates, okay?
Okay.
So,
Oh, there's...
This is the driving test centre right in front of us. This is where it starts, this is where it finishes. So drive over there for me and reverse on top of that triangle, please. There and there.
Should be easy, isn't it?
Yes, should be easy, shouldn't it?
Should. That's the K word. Hey. Woman and reversing. Okay, just go. Oh, he scared me for a bit.
What did I do?
I thought I did something bad.
Super slow, super slow, super slow, super slow, super slow.
Oh, we don't want to hit the curb.
No.
is it?
What I'd like you to do, okay, pull forwards, yeah? And then reverse, you know the centre line, yeah? Be right next to the centre line for me. Okay?
Oh, right next to the center.
So dive that way. Then that way. And that way. That's it. Turn, 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 turn.
Like that.
That'll do.
Yeah. So,
There we go. Now you
Just
see
go.
that? See the line? Is your wheel straight?
Yeah.
How do you know?
because I can't see this.
Okay, but it's like that in 3 positions.
And I know it's straight. What do
Okay.
you mean?
Knock on in.
Yes, it's straight. What do you mean?
Okay.
You make me nervous.
Yeah, but you can't see your tyres, can you? Just because your steering wheel is straight, okay? Right then, turn it all the way that way for me. Right then, look at it. It wasn't, the wheels weren't straight, were they? No? Look at your steering wheel. Turn it 1.5 times. That's half a turn.
And
now one complete one. There we go. Now your wheels are straight. Yeah? Because it's straight in that position, and that position.
It's horrible.
There we go. Now your wheels are straight. I should have let you just reverse, shouldn't I?
Yeah. If I saw going a bit in the wrong way, I'll just... It's fine. Thank you for helping. No, you shouldn't have, but thank you.
Stop talking, David.
I'm just...
Keep your big mouth shut, David. Right then. What driving test route are we going to do?
What you want?